I'm here to pick up a TV. I'm with UPS.
Yeah. Sir.
Appreciate you.
Sir.
Appreciate you.
I was finna help you.
No, I don't need help. I gotta sit right here. I gotta take a picture, boss. I don't want to get you in the picture. Oh, you cool? What did I just say?
22.
All right.
But look, I'm like, that don't seem like the truck. You know, but I see you doing your private thing. That's cool.
Yeah.
Is it worth it?
It can be, depending on what your cost of living is.
Cause I bought one of them, but I sold it. I said I ain't gonna do no moving and shit. But I ain't think about the they got to doing that.
Oh, the contracts.
Walmart and the and the what's the other one?
Home Depot.
No, Home Depot do it too, huh?
Sam's Club.
I was Amazon.
Yeah, you could do the overnight thing with Amazon, but I think they probably finna get rid of that.
So I'm saying you bought that truck on your own, right?
Yeah, I had that truck over 10 years.
That's a good. You got that motherfucker in shape. You fix it yourself?
Nah, I just take it to the shop.
Huh?
Nah, I send it to the shop.
Oh, okay.
All right, man, you be safe.
It'd be good. You fix it yourself, though.
Yeah,
What I'm saying is it?
Huh?
You don't gotta have no other job. It's worth it.
You gotta have a. Well, I'm retired, so I don't do it to pay my bills. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
I mean, if you pick the right lane, it can be worth it.
To take care of your kids and your grown ass kids.
I ain't got no kids. If you got a family, this what I'm doing. This ain't gonna take care of no household.
I figured it.
You could do this like if you want to make like some extra money and some shit like that. But if you want to make money with a box truck, you gotta either deliver furniture all day or you gotta go over the
I
road.
ain't doing the furniture.
Or you gotta start a moving company.
That's what I shut down to move, cause I ain't.
Yeah, I did.
People's houses is worse than that, and shit happening.
Well, here's the thing. So I own a moving company here in Chicago from 2010 to 2022, and that's how I was able to retire. Majority of my money came out the moving, but when I started, the housing market had crashed. So I made my money from people losing their houses, and then when the economy came back up, I made that money moving them back into the house. Yeah. So I mean, but I was moving people downtown and up north. I wasn't in the hood.
Better, yeah.
So if you know you from here, so you know the money is up there. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? So, huh? No, it's gas.
See, mine was diesel.
Yeah, it's gas. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know when I'm
burning no gas, that ain't
nah,
no big ass V8, is it?
That's a V8, but this it's a 05 for it, so it got the 4.8 in it.
Oh, you got lucky.
Yeah, it got the 4.8, the Vortex. So that's a 05. So.
Oh, Vortex beat up, but I know it's a 4-something. You know, I got the 5.7 in there.
Okay, and the Impala.
But,
yeah.
But it still drink once you hit that gas.
But see,
if you don't ride it right, it drink.
But see, with the moving, you got people paying you $200 an hour. And then when up north, you go up north, you ain't Lincoln Park to Lincoln Park to
really
you ain't going nowhere. You see what I'm saying? So it don't, and you charging them for that.
I might just get another one, shit.
Yeah. So I mean, if you get you a crew, it's still worth it. You gonna be competing against the Venezuelans, but Trump probably finna get them out of here.
I know.
Right. So, all right, be safe.
Venezuela's kind of pretty though, but
yeah.
They gonna fuck our kids up. We don't know what they got, the new diseases, the shit they done brought. We don't know.
Right, we don't know.
You know, so that's probably what brought the corona, because they was sneaking at the time.
Yeah. All right, boy, be safe.
Cool, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Nah, no problem.
You know, she ordered that, so she just called me. I'm gonna kick her ass.
Okay. All right, what? Hi. Say that again?
On the side, on the other side. There's
What?
some stairs on the side.
Right here?
Inside the door.
This
The
one?
gangway,
Oh.
please. Thank you.
All right.
Kyra told her to call, and the car was telling you to come because I guess she didn't.
I know that's what I'm saying. I wasn't supposed to be in the first place.
Right,
I
first
know
place.
it was gonna be fun.
Hey man, she see me on pick up.
I figured that's what it was.
It was like 50. Like, hell of a car.
Appreciate it. That's I bet I'll get it. I gotta drop it right here because I gotta take a picture.
Getting ready for the Tyson fight. Hope he knocks that fucking Jake Paul out, bro.
Oh, you want Tyson to win?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, but
I think it's
I think it's rigged, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's why you bought the TV for the fight?
Yeah, I got a bunch of people coming.
Oh, okay. 1 second here. I just gotta get the address with the TV in it.
It's $5, I'll give you something.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you. Guys aren't working today?
Not right now. He had one.
You can just scan them and then I'll put them up there.
I just need driver's code.
Oh. This is Bridgeview, right? 2438. Just, yeah, hold the cart real quick. Appreciate you. You too. They sent some little bitty lady out. Ain't no way she would put these big ass TVs up. Damn, this box is fucked up. Hope the TV alright. Give me 1 second. I gotta,
Take a picture.
Yep.
Take a picture and then have me just sit it right here on the first floor right here.
I can only put it down and slide.
Cool. Yeah, you can slide in the hallway. Help me pick it up, slide in the hallway. That's cool.
What address? Oh, there you go. One second. You got it?
Let me see.
It's upside down.
I got it.
All right. Have a good day. Yeah. This cat, what this cat looking at? We standing on business. We on 59th and Emerald. This cat standing on. You slide it back. Yep. Okay.
Mark, right?
Yeah, Mark.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, I'm going to give me a cargo brand going on with that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I just got on the Roadie app like about 3 days ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been doing Walmart Spark for about a year now. Shit,
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Shit, goddamn it, but I'll be checking you out though.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
How you knew it was me? You saw the truck?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
You been in the hood? I've been in the hood too.
Oh, you be in the hood too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
My name, boy.
What's your name?
Mark.
Mark?
Yep.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
All right.
Catch you again. Good. Catch
All
you
right.
again.
Appreciate you. Hello?
So I need to go over there and kill his time? I can afford 5 minutes. 5 minutes? That ain't great. I don't want to go there. That'll get his ass out of here.
Yeah, see, hey, the thing, building well and messing up for everybody.
I'm here to pick up a TV. I'm with UPS.
Yeah, what time?
I was supposed to have been here. I've been sitting there for the longest.
In Bay what?
15. They just keep looking at me.
Is it on there?
It's been on here. Been on here since 11.
What's the year? Hey,
They never want to bring the TVs out. I'm finna bag back to the door.
Yeah, talk to the young lady right there. She do the order.
I've been waiting on a TV order for UPS Roadie for a while now. Should be in there. Been sitting there for a while. It's not a deal.
15?
Yeah, it's a regular general merchandise. That's why I'm over here.
All right, I see you. It don't even say, it just say you got a spot number. See, look, it ain't even marked that you was a ride. That's why they ain't get to you.
Oh. All right, I'm ready for you.
I got you.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna bring, if I don't bring that, somebody else gonna bring that to you.
Okay. So they're making everybody leave because the Venezuelans be parked back here. So they got security back here forcing everybody to leave. Yeah, them Venezuelans, they say fucking it up. So they making them all leave.
They making them leave?
Because most of them cars was just Venezuelans sitting back here.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what they own. Yeah, they trying to force them out of here.
I tell one car right phase 4.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna play with their ass.
No, me neither. Yes, sir. So now what they're doing, they got security going from car to car, and they're making them leave. Venezuelans. What's up? That can't be me. You sure that's me?
Mm-hmm. Said it's 17.
I'm here for a TV, I believe. This 15.
Oh, okay, yeah, sorry.
0534. 0534, yep.
What you said it was?
0534. I got it, boss.